Hey there, welcome to Style with Carol. I do a lot of home decorating videos, and today we are going to be taking a look at a side table that I have right next to this mantle. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my Decorate With Me mantle to see how I got that look. But right now we are cleaning up this whole fall mantle area because it's getting very messy, and I want you guys to see the process from all the way from the beginning to the end to know kind of how to get that look. And anytime you clean up your space, it makes it visually more appealing. So that's step number one, is you always want to kind of clear out your base. And I'm really excited to see or show you all this. These nanobots are like the coolest thing, so definitely take a look at this. We're doing a basement reveal, so I'll show you how the nano leaves look in our basement when it's all complete. It's still in the process of completing, so I'm excited to share that with you all. So stay tuned for more videos and make sure you're subscribed. I do home decorating videos every Monday, and then every other day I do videos related to style. Now that many folks are working from home, you can see that monitor that I'm clearly struggling with. The husband was supposed to move it, but he never did, so I'm clearing it out, and we're just gonna put it on the side so he can put it where it needs to be. I know with COVID, a lot of you may have been laid off of work and things like that, so I'm very sorry to hear that, and I really try to make sure that these videos, everything that I'm incorporating, is budget friendly. This duster that I'm using is from TJ Maxx, and it was under $10, and I use it for a lot of my decorating videos because I always want to make sure I get the space cleared out for you all before starting the whole decorating process. Here's the area we're going to place the side table at, and basically I'm vacuuming it up, making sure that there's no dust and things like that, because it is harder when the table is there. Dust accumulates, so just want to get that space cleared out before I place the table there. When I say budget friendly, my friends, I mean budget friendly. Look at this table. It looks awful. It's very old, but still durable and works, because we are going to cover it up with a scarf, and really you can use any table for this side project. A throw works too, but usually throws are a little bit longer, so that's why, as I've mentioned, I've been using this kind of wool scarf to cover up the table and just make it look a lot more cozier and appealing. This is the statement piece that we are going to be using for this project. It's a willow tree, and technically it's for Christmas, but we are going to use it for fall, and you'll be seeing how I use these Dollar Tree fall leaf garlands and just kind of twirl it around for this tree to give it a more fall themed. And the best part about using this is you can just take it off very easily when it's time for decorating for winter. I like to go all out for Christmas. I think it's so much fun. It gets me in the Christmas cheery mood. So stay tuned, because I will have a lot of Christmas series, and I'll be doing a lot of DIYs, budget friendly of course, so you can incorporate all these things in your home. Now I'm just playing around with the fabric, making sure that it flows well, and it's covered up. The inside table is covered up with the fabric piece, and putting in all my pumpkins. This year I definitely got a lot of different pumpkins, these sparkly ones from Dollar Tree. I had to go out to a few Dollar Trees because some of them were sold out. I believe they still have some. It really depends on your local Dollar Tree, what they have and what they don't. But if they don't, you always have lots of other choices, like Home Depot. I got these from Home Depot, and these are real pumpkins, so I made sure to incorporate real pumpkins with artificial to get that little glam look. As you see, the two gray pumpkins are ones that I DIY'd. I just colored them gray with a chalk paint, just to have a little bit more colors, because I love, as much as I love orange, I can't just have all orange for my fall. I need to incorporate different colors, different textures, and that's what I really tried to do on this side table that you see. I've really try to vary the different textures that I use for my pumpkins. Some are velvet, some are sparkly, some are real, some are matte. So you get a sense and feeling for a lot. These are the velvet ones that I'm talking about. Those are also from Dollar Tree, and I just love how they all look together and complement each other. So when recreating this in your home, a little friendly tip or advice I would say to hide the table piece, if you're using a fabric, is to kind of just tape it with Scotch tape inside or clear tape, and try to play around with the fabric until you get it just right, because I know I had to constantly play with the fabric to make it look like the way I want it to look. And then I also tape that side too. Here's how the fall themed side table is looking, and you'll get a grand finale of how everything looks together. I incorporated lots of fairy lights, as you can see, both from my fall fireplace mantle to all the way to the side piece table with a bunch of pumpkins for fall, of course. Like I've mentioned, incorporated a variety of different pumpkins, so you don't have to stick to the same one if you can't find all the same pumpkins, because I know that's difficult this time of year. Here's an up close of my fall mantle so you can see how it looks all together in the overall picture. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Hopefully this got you inspired to be creative and decorate your home. Until next time, bye-bye.